Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Both devices must share the same network and the target display must accept AirPlay. Once done, unlock your iPhone and swipe to open Control Center, top right on Face ID models, bottom on Touch ID. Make sure Bluetooth is on for discovery, then look for the screen mirroring or AirPlay icon. Tap it now to reveal available devices. This step starts the connection handshake. It's quick, and it lets your iPhone discover compatible receivers, so you can select the correct one. After you tap the screen mirroring icon, scan the list and choose the correct receiver name. Avoid similarly named devices. If the screen asks for an AirPlay code, type it exactly as shown on the TV. This secures the connection. Once connected, your iPhone will negotiate resolution and audio routing, so expect a brief pause while pixels sync. Make sure to close any heavy apps that could stall performance, and adjust orientation lock or volume on your phone if the mirrored image or sound isn't right. To finish, return to Control Center and tap Stop Mirroring or disconnect from the AirPlay menu in the app. If you encounter lag or stutter, make sure you're on a 5 GHz band, move closer to the router and close background apps. These changes reduce latency. If the receiver doesn't appear, restart the TV or AirPlay device and your iPhone. This often clears discovery issues. If problems persist, check for software updates on both devices, and then try pairing again. That usually resolves stubborn connection faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.